Okay, we're gonna go on a quick test drive. Transmission shifts nice and smooth, steering wheel straight, suspension feels good. When you apply the brakes, the steering wheel doesn't shake or anything. This thing drives very, very smooth. You would never know it had almost 100,000 miles on it. And then here in the engine bay, you can see it is really clean. What's going on, guys? Nick here at Exotic Motorsports in Oklahoma, and we're going to do a quick visual condition report on this Lincoln Navigator. Now, I've walked around this thing and I do not see any body damage. I don't see any big gashes or scratches. Really, it's just your everyday rock chips here on the front bumper and a couple chips down this little molding on the side and a little curb rash on this wheel here. So let's go walk around this and go check all that out. Starting with this wheel here, like I said, it has a little bit of curb rash. You can see a couple spots. They're all really minor. That fender looks amazing. Side mirror looks good. Here's a couple chips on that molding, like I said. Looks like they've been touched up. Got another one here. And a couple small ones there. And looking at this wheel, we do have a scuff right here. Got a lot of tread left on these tires. All of this looks really nice. Very clean. Like I said, the front end is going to have a couple rock chips and your everyday rock impacts from driving. Nothing really out of the ordinary for the miles. So starting here on this hood, I'm going to see a few here. Looks like a lot of these have been touched up. Got 3 there. There's a couple more here. Like I said, all really minor. You're going to have them here on this lower section. You're going to see little rock impacts that didn't necessarily chip the paint. And on this wheel, you can see a gash here. A little bit of wear on this top side. On the fender, I see a couple rock chips here, a small scuff. The rest of that fender looks good. The driver door, we have 2 chips down here, chip right here, a small scuff there. Got a chip around the door handle here, and the rest of that looks nice. Passenger door looks really good. That quarter panel's clean. Got a small gash right there, but the rest of that wheel looks awesome. And then making our way here on the rear, and all of this looks really, really nice. Very clean. Taillights look good. The center section is nice and clean. I'm not seeing any chips or gashes here. All of this looks really nice. Got the tow cover here. I do see a little scuff there. Does not catch my nail. It's just on the surface. Everything else looks awesome. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker and it is really, really clean for the miles. We have a small scuff here. All of these buttons look amazing. This lower plastic looks good. Got a couple scuffs here on this kick plate and a little bit on the paint down low. Overall, that floor mat looks nice. You got some wrinkles here on that bolster, but I don't see any rips or tears. A little bit of wear on that spot. This section looks really nice, and the rest of this seat looks awesome. Very little wear on that seat. The steering wheel is a little shiny here on some of the leather spots. These buttons look good. The wood grain is nice and clean. All of this looks good. All the cubbies work perfect. It's a very, very clean interior. And then here on this door panel, it looks amazing as well. Kick plate area is clean. These seats look awesome. The seat backs look nice. There's really not much to pick apart back here. Then checking out this door panel. Overall looks really good. Small scratch right here. These buttons all look nice. You do have a few dings on the kick plate and a couple scuffs on the paint itself. That floor mat looks good. You have some minor wrinkling here. Looks like a small stain. This bolster looks great. The rest of that seat looks really good. This side of the console is clean. Glove box looks good. Upper side of the dash is nice and clean. Then all of this looks really nice. And looking at this door panel, it looks really good. Kick plate area is clean. You have a couple imperfections on the leather. It looks like something's on the surface of it that's not a gash or anything. Some sort of stain or something kind of sitting on there. Got a little scuff here. The rest of this seat looks amazing. They are heated. Got your climate control access back here. And all of that looks good.